Hi, I'm Eric with MarineMax in Westbrook, Connecticut, and we are on a 2026 Scout 240 XSF. This boat is powered by a Mercury 300 V8. They have the sea deck on the swim platform, and a nice thing about the swim platform is you can walk across both sides. There's no engine well to kind of get in your way, so it's really easy to use if you had to board or just even wanted to store some floating toys on the back. Really nice storage setup by Scout. We have rod holders along the back. Standard is pop-up cleats up and down the gunnels. Live well is also standard. And this beautiful Bianca cushion material and color. This is one of the new colors, black stitching, looks great. Fold out rear seat. And if you're fishing and want that out of the way, folds right up and you get a nice spot to lean up to. Scout finishes the underside of all of their areas for storage. The bilge area, really clean, high quality, which Scout is very well known for. On the leaning post, we've got an igloo cooler, cup holders, rod holders, and a grab rail. Up at the helm, you'll notice that the console itself is a nice black color to keep reflection down, and we also did the midnight edition on this boat, so you'll see the framing is all painted in black as well as the underside of the hardtop. We've got a 12-inch Garmin screen, all of your switches. This boat does have the upgraded JL audio system with the Fusion head. Another neat feature that you might see walking through the boat is that all of the caulking is done in black, which gives it a really nice look. Helps keep it cleaner too, or at least easier to clean. Coming forward, got the porcelain head, your switch panel, storage, battery access. And as we move up to the bow, again, you'll see the midnight edition with the painted black on the railings. Cup holders, little storage area, phone, flip-flops. We've got our backrests for the forward-facing seats, storage under both seats. The lounge seat with armrest is also a nice area for storage. Smart, quick design by Scout. You'll notice that when it opens up and closes, this is on a hinge that actually doesn't interfere with the armrests. Up at the bow, we've got the option of the dual purpose rod holder slash cup holders. Really neat idea that Scout came up with. Whether you're going to be fishing or having a drink up here, it does dual purpose. Again, you'll see the pop-up cleats and a nice area to stand up on when you're throwing anchor. Pull it right out of here, get your feet planted, hauling out and pulling in the anchor makes it easy. And all non-skid surface up here as well as on the deck. Notice the interior freeboard height. It's a really safe feeling boat, so whether you're out going fishing or you're just doing a family day on the boat, you feel safe on this boat. And one of the neat features that Scout does standard is they have the Seakeeper Ride trim tab system. So once you turn that on, you'll notice that it rides really flat in rougher weather. And you can see that this boat is capable of having 11 people on board safely, comfortably, and it'll get you out on the sound in any weather, comfortable for fishing or recreation. Come check it out here at MarineMax in Westbrook.